My name is Dr. James Ong. I'm your host, and every week we get to feature someone who will inspire you, whether it's financial reasons or whether it's for health reasons. There will always be someone who will be able to share his or her story from around our global community. And today we have a very special guest. She is from the home, Marianne. She's from the home of a famous person called Manny Pacquiao. So she is from General Santos, all right? But today she's not there. She's in Palawan somewhere in a hotel. So her line is not exactly that good, but she's here and she will tell us her story with Prive International. Can we welcome Miss Marianne Alaga, our three-star manager? Welcome. Hello, Marianne.
Everyone.
Kamusta?
Hi, Docs. Nice to be here.
Yeah, well, I read your introduction. One of the main reasons you joined Prive was because your mom became really sick. Can you tell us about, what happened?
It was 2022, so pandemic strike. So my mother, sadly, she's really dying. You know what?
Wow.
Suffered a lot. It's a kidney failure
Yeah.
and COVID. So we are so hopeless.
Mm-hmm.
She's only 3 hours, 4 hours every night,
Wow.
and we are down. We are just waiting her to die. But it's a blessing that someone shared to me the product, the Itera Care. So she's from USA, and so amazing. The first time she used it, she slept for 8 hours. And
Wow.
after 2 months, she really got healed. You know
Yeah.
what? For me, the Iteraker is really a miracle. It's our